This time we're solving simultaneous equations, 3 equations with 3 unknowns. Similar to the other one where you've got 2 equations and 2 unknowns, first of all you're looking to cancel one of the letters, either the x's, the y's or the z's. Here, since the number in front of most of the z's is quite similar, it's probably easier to cancel the z's. Now originally we're just going to call the equations A, B and finally C, and then that will enable us to put 2 of them together. So first of all over here we're going to put A and B together. And so we've got x plus y plus z is equal to 9, and the second one we've got 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 16. What we're looking to do here is cancel the z's. The easiest way to do that is if I multiply the top line by minus 1. So I'm going to multiply the top line by minus 1. And the second line stays the same as it is. So then what we can see is if we add the lines together, you'll see you're left with x plus 2y, and that is equal to 7. Okay, so that's the next equation, which we're going to call D. Then we need to also find another equation by putting 2 more of them together. So this time I'm going to put A and C together. Now you could pick any 2, it doesn't make a difference which ones you pick. Okay, so putting A and C together. Then you can see what you need to do for the top one. You need to multiply the top line by minus 2 in order to get the number in front of the z's the same. Now it's very important, if you're going to cancel the z's here, you must cancel the z's for the next one as well. You can't cancel a different letter. And then again, it's similar to the first one, the other line stays the same. And then what we need to do is add the lines together. You should see these z's cancel each other out, so we're left with x minus 6y is equal to minus 17. So then that's what we're going to call equation E. So your aim is to get 2 equations, D and E, and you should already be able to solve these type of equations already. Now what we can do here straight away is, you can see that the easiest to cancel is the x's. Now instead of going through the whole process up above where you have to multiply across by minus 1, you can actually, you're multiplying by minus 1, but what you can do straight away is actually just change the sign of the full line. It'll save us writing out the full thing again. So what we can do then is add the lines together, the x's cancel, so you're left with 8y is equal to 24. So y is equal to 3. Then we need to sub that value for y back into one of the original equations, one of these 2. So I'm just going to sub it into this one. So equation D, so instead it's going to be x plus 2 bracket 3 is equal to 7. So then you can see that x is equal to 1. And then in order to get the value for z, you can sub it into one of the 3 original ones. So I'm just going to sub it into A. So instead of x plus y plus z equal to 9, we have 2 of the values already. We take them away, so z is equal to 5. Now similar to what we would do at the end of another question, or of the two simultaneous equations, you can write your x first, then your y, and then your number. And that's my answer.